Sometimes we may need to rename our sheets inside the Apple numbers document. Here I have one sample document and couple of sheets are there. For example, I want to rename this sheet. This is course. So I need to rename it to other name. So to rename it, we have two choices. We can either double click or there is another option. We can right click on top of the sheet which we want to rename. And once we right click, it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose rename and it will be like that. Now we can change the name like remodel costing, for example, remodel costing or cost. And then after renaming, after typing the new name, we have to hit return key of our keyboard and the sheet will be renamed. And that's it. In this way we can easily rename the sheet inside Apple numbers document.